First of all, I think we should clap for the trainers. It was very impressive, very good, because it's good that sometimes you think that you know a lot when actually you don't know anything. Because I know when the form was filled, some people feel me, I rated myself intermediate, but I know I'm not yet there, and some people have already testified. So I think Mr. Fofana has been very helpful. So when I sent him the request, he just responded promptly. He was very flexible with the training. It's either we do it here or he will select again. Whichever was feasible for us. So we decided to do it here because the CEO believe that some people will be having one or two things to do in their offices so that they can also attend the training. But whatever happens, I think this is the beginning of a series of training we'll have. I hope it will continue. And Mr. Fofana and Pinay, thank you very much for coming and for being very patient, because it's difficult to train adults, especially NIA staff, very strong people here. So thank you very much for doing it. So for the trainees, we also need to clap for ourselves. Throughout this period, it's a 3 days period. We are all busy from 9 o'clock to 4:30 every day, because previously some people start leaving by 3 or 2, some are going home, but all these 3 days everybody is here after 4 p.m. I think that's very good, and from the testimonies of the trainees, I think we have achieved a lot, and we hope we will continue to have such trainings, because there are other staff, especially our colleagues in the field. Maybe there should be a second batch, if possible. However, I just want to appeal. During the introduction, the first day, I saw you say class president or representative. Class rep?
Yeah.
Do we have it?
Yes.
I think the class rep should make sure that there is a very good report on this. No, you are not going to do it, but you can assign anybody to do it.
Yes,
then they will share it among you. Everybody will contribute to the report.
Yes, thank you.
Because the outcome of that report will dictate whether there will be other trainings. If the training is good and you have reported that it's good and you recommended that there should be such trainings again, then based on that, maybe the CEO will be happy to approve. So we need to have a very good report.
Don't worry, I will have the book. I will
And
have
we
the
have